What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that your armrest? You don't have your seatbelt on. Don't look at your mom. It's not her fault. It's your fault. You should put your seatbelt on, little girl. Cinders. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Don't ignore me. Cinders. Cinders.
You better listen to Dad.
Put your seatbelt on.
He's gonna give you a spanking.
That baby girl better put her seatbelt on. You're sitting up pretty like you're supposed to with your arm on your armrest, but you don't have no seatbelt on.
Dad's broken.
We had to pull over. We can't drive with you not in a seatbelt. Cinders. Quit pretending you don't hear me.
She's like, what's y'all's problem?